students, in the previous class we were discussing about various kind of problems in finding conjugate and expressing in the form of a plus ib. In today's class we shall discuss some more numericals. Let us look at the board. You are given x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib. You have to show that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Now x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib. Cubing on both sides, you have x minus iy is equal to a minus ib whole cube. This is what you have. Now x minus iy is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, that is minus ib whole cube. This is what you have. So what do you get here? A cube minus 3a square bi plus I square is minus 1, so here you have minus 3a b square. I cube is minus I, so you have plus I b cube here. So here you have a cube minus 3ab square plus I into minus 3a square b plus b cube. This is what you have. Now here x is equal to a cube minus 3a b square. X by a is a square minus 3b square. Similarly, minus I is equal to minus 3a square b plus b cube. Y is equal to 3a square b minus b cube. Take b down. Y by b is equal to 3a square minus b square. Now, if you add x by a plus y by b, what is that you get? X by a plus y by b is equal to a square minus 3b square. A square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square. So here you have x by a plus y by b is equal to 4a square minus 4b square, that is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Hence proved. Let us call this as 1, let us call this as 2. Here you are adding 1 and 2 to get x by a plus y by b is equal to 4a square minus b square. If you take 4 out, you have a square minus b square. That is what we need. Right, we shall discuss the next problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the least positive integer n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. So you have to find the value of n, least value of n for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. So first consider 1 plus I by 1 minus I. What is the conjugate of 1 minus I? 1 plus I. So you have to multiply and divide with 1 plus I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. So that is 1 plus I whole square, that is by 1 square minus I square. 1 plus I whole square by 1 minus of I square is minus 1. So here you have 1 plus I square plus 2I by 2. That is 1 minus 1 plus 2I by 2. Plus minus cancel, 2I by 2, which is I. We have I power 4 is equal to 1, therefore n value is 4. The value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I is I, and you know that I power 4 is 1, so the minimum value n is 4. Right. Let us discuss the next problem. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube is equal to x plus I by. Find x and y. This is what you are going to find. Consider 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube. So first let us take this part. Consider 1 plus I by 1 minus I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I can be written as 1 plus, this can be multiplied and divided with 1 plus I. So you get 1 plus I whole square by 1 square minus I square, which is 1 plus I square plus 2I by 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, I square is minus 1 plus 2I by 2, that is equal to I. You got it as I. Let us discuss once again. 1 plus I square plus 2I. Yes, you got it as I. Next, we have 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Let us check this once. So multiplying with 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 plus I whole square is 1 square I square 2I. Right. 1 square minus I square. I square is minus 1, minus into minus you get plus. So you have plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. You have 2I by 2, which is I. Now 1 minus I by 1 plus I is what? 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. 1 minus I whole square by 1 square minus I square. This can be written as 1 plus I square minus 2I by 1 minus of minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 minus 2I by 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2I by 2, which is minus I. So what do you have here? I cube minus I whole cube. This is what you have. I cube is minus I. Here you get minus I again. That is equal to minus 2I. Minus 2I can be written as 0 minus 2I. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. Here I cube is minus I, minus into minus plus, again plus into minus minus, so you have minus I here. So altogether you get minus 2I, which can be written as 0 minus 2I. So x value is 0 and y value is